Hi, this is Fred Litt. Welcome to Workflow and Style, where you will learn to use your personal technology to be more organized, make better presentations, and enhance your bottom line. Our topic is PowerPoint. In Part 2, you will learn to enhance your presentation with images and videos from Bing, YouTube, and your personal collection. Let's get started. In the last video, we created a 6-slide PowerPoint presentation. So let's open that up. And in this lesson, we're going to add some images and video. So here are my 6 slides. What I'm going to do is show you how you can add your own images as well as online images. So let's pick a slide. So I'm going to place the mouse tip over Gmail and double click. Now what I like to do is when giving a presentation, I always like some kind of artwork included in addition to the theme. It adds some elegance and some professionalism, especially if you can find a related piece of artwork. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go online and find an image that represents Gmail. Now I really don't have to search outside of the PowerPoint software itself. I can do it from within here. So with this Gmail slide in front of me, I'm going to go to Insert. And in the upper left, you can see there are 2 icons that represent how I can get pictures and online pictures. The pictures icon will allow me to look on my own PC for photos. The online image will allow me to go online using Microsoft's library of images. So I'm going to double click on online, and I'm going to do a Bing image search, and I'm just going to type in Gmail. Hit the Enter key. And I get all these wonderful images, and I'm going to pick one that I think represents Gmail. So I'll pick the first one, click, insert. So Bing automatically will insert this image onto the slide, and all I have to do is resize it and position it, and there it is. Very nice. Now let's go to Dropbox, and we'll do the same thing. So the slide is in front of me. I'm going to go to Insert, Online Pictures. Let me type in Dropbox. I'm going to choose this image, Insert. Let me shrink it a little bit and put it in a similar spot. Let's do Adobe Acrobat, Insert, Online Pictures. And let's find that one that looks like, let's get rid of this, and let's go, there you go, Adobe Acrobat, Insert. That's pretty good. And you just shrink it so that it fits nicely on the screen. You can see as I'm positioning the image, I can look on the left-hand side to see how everything looks, and it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go to the iPhone slide, Insert, Online Pictures. I'm going to type in iPhone, hit the Enter key, and I get some sample iPhone images, which are very nice. So I'll click on this one, kind of generic. I will resize it a little bit, put it in the right-hand corner. Looks pretty nice. Perfect. And that's it. So now let's take a good look at what our slides look like. I'm going to go to Slide Sorter by going to View, Slide Sorter, and now I get a quick view of each one of my slides. Very nice. Now let's add a video from YouTube to our slideshow. So I don't really have a good slide for a video, so I'm going to create a new slide and add a video. So let's go to View. We're there. I'm going to go to Outline View. I'm going to add another slide in between iPhone and conclusion, and we'll call it videos. So how do I add another slide? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the end of the 3rd bullet in iPhone. I'm going to hit the Enter key. But that creates a bullet rather than a new slide. So now I'm going to introduce the concept of promotion and demotion. Right now, this is a bullet, so I want to promote it from a bullet to a slide. So I right-click, and I see Promote, which you see that little arrow pointing to the left. And now I'm going to click on Promote. And now it changes that bullet to a separate slide. How great is that? So now I'm going to type in Videos. And I have a new slide. Now over to the right, that's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to tap on this little icon to the bottom right, which is Resize Fit to Screen. So there I have it. So let's look at the iPhone, conclusion, and I have videos in the middle. So now I'm going to add a video. Now when I added images a moment before, I went to Insert and Online Pictures. Similarly, all the way to the right, I can go to Video and Online Video. But if you're starting a brand new slide, look inside of the slide and you will actually see there are icons already positioned to allow you to quickly go to an online image or an online video. So I'm just going to click on this icon which represents online video, and I'm going to click, and it automatically allows me to insert a video from which I can choose from YouTube. So I'm going to add a video and we'll call it productivity. And let's see what shows up. So here are different videos that have to do with productivity. So this is just for an example. So let me pick one. This looks interesting. I'll click Insert. And there I have a video. So now I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit and reposition it. And there I have my video. Now to test this to make sure it works properly and to actually see what it looks like, I can double click on it. It wakes it up. I hit the play button.
In a world that seems busier by the day,
and there it is.
Productivity is on the minds of many.
So I'm going to stop it. So that's pretty good. So again, this is just for example purposes only. So this is a way in which you can add a YouTube video to your slideshow. Now let me show you how you can add your own content to one of your slideshow presentations. So I'm going to create two more slides, and right after video, I'm going to click on the left, and I'm going to add two new slides. One is called Personal Images, and the other one will be called Personal Videos. Now my images are not great for this particular PowerPoint presentation, but they're great for an example. So I'm going to click on Personal Images, which brings up that slide, and then I'm going to click on an icon right here, which allows me to go to pictures that are on my hard drive. So I have a couple of photos that are in my Dropbox account. So I'm going to go to Dropbox, and then I have Workflow and Style Photos. Double click. I have some photos that I took on a visit to a park recently, and I'm just going to click on this one and I'm going to click Insert. And there it is. So now let's get another one. So now that I've already inserted one photo, I've lost those icons on the slide. So now let me go back to Insert, Pictures, and isn't it nice? It remembers where I was. So I'm going to click on this photo, click Insert, and here's another photo, and I will resize it. And now I have a slide with two personal photos. Now let me add a personal video. So I'm going to click on the personal video slide. There's not a separate button for personal videos, but this insert video does both YouTube and personal. So I'm going to go to From a File, Browse. Let me go to my Dropbox account. And in my camera uploads, I have a couple of videos that I took recently using my iPad mini. And here's one I took just a little while ago, and I'm going to double click, and this is from my hard drive, and there it is. Let me resize it. And once you resize it, you'll notice, as different from a YouTube video, there are automatically controls here. So when you insert a video from your own private collection on your PC, it's treated a little differently, a little bit more favorably. So here we have my video. Let me click on the play button. And there it is. So let's go to View, Slide Sorter. Here are all of my videos. Now let's take a complete look at the slideshow that we've created. So I'm going to go to Slideshow, From Beginning. Here's my first slide. I'm just going to hit the page down key, Gmail, Dropbox, Acrobat, iPhone. Here's a video from YouTube. Let me play it.
In a world that seems busier by the...
That works. Page down again. Oops, let me click away. And now I have my personal images. I have a personal video. Let me click on this. So what we've accomplished in these two parts is to create a very nice, attractive looking PowerPoint slideshow. So we've added some interesting content, a couple of photos from our personal collection and from Bing. Plus we've added a couple of videos from our personal collection and from YouTube. So what we've done is we have created an eye-catching professional presentation that I'm sure will excite your audience. I hope this video has given you new ideas to help you save time and stay competitive. If you found this presentation helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Workflow and Style channel. Your comments and recommendations are always appreciated. This is Fred Litt. Thanks for watching.